Hey, we got the Cascade Complete Dishwashing Pods. These come with Dawn soap, and there is a nice lemon scent in these. There are 78 included in this, so this will last you a while. This has great cleaning power. I don't have to rewash my dishes. And when you're ready to do your dishes, you just grab your pod right out of the package and you pop it in your dishwasher and you're all set. And when it's time to put the soap in your dishwasher, just throw your pod right in your slot. Boom, done. Nice and easy. And as far as the cleaning power, these dishes, there's a nice shine to them. They're nice and clean and they're nice and dry.